If you've lost access to your eBay account and need to regain ownership, follow these straightforward steps to recover it quickly. Step 1. Visit the eBay sign-in page. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generated and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the sign-in page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. This will allow you to initiate the password recovery process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Provide the email address associated with your eBay account. Make sure it is the correct email to receive recovery instructions. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from eBay with instructions on how to reset your password. Follow the link provided in the email to create a new password. Step 5. Sign in with new password. Return to the eBay sign-in page and enter your email and the new password you just created. This should restore your access to your account. Once you've completed these steps, you should regain access to your eBay account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to eBay customer support for further assistance.